Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious yellow split pea soup. First, rinse 1 pound of yellow split peas under cold water until the water runs clear. Then, place the clean peas in a large bowl and cover them with 4 cups of fresh water. Let them soak for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This simple step significantly reduces cooking time and ensures a wonderfully creamy texture for your soup. Now let's build our flavor base. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 chopped large onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 diced celery stalks. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Next, it's time to combine everything. Drain and rinse your soaked yellow split peas one last time. Add the drained peas to the pot with your sautéed vegetables. Pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth and add 1 bay leaf. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer gently for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the peas are very tender and the soup has thickened. Finally, let's finish our delicious soup. Carefully remove the bay leaf from the pot. Season the soup generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can use an immersion blender for a few seconds. Serve hot, garnished with fresh chopped parsley or crunchy croutons. This hearty soup is perfect for a comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.